Now in this video we use the concept of identities, how we implement the identities into the application part. Okay, some expansions are given with a different number, different numeric value. Then how you expand using the suitable identities and then simplify the following terms they are given in form of like whole square maybe whole cube. So this question is related with the identities in which we evaluate the like all the terms but with the suitable identities. Okay, so first question is 3x plus 4 whole square. Okay, so now here we use the concept of identities a plus b of whole square. So you write down first here since using a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so on comparison we have value of a, that is the first place, that is 3x, value of the second place, that is 4. Okay, so only you replace the value of a and b in identity, given identity. So 3x of whole square here, 2 into a means 3x, b means 4, and then plus 4 square. Okay, so now open 3x of whole square, that is 9x square, 2 3 are 6, 6 4 are 24x, and now 4 4 are 16. Okay, so this is the expansion of 3x plus 4 of whole square using the identity a plus b of whole square. So in this way you proceed the question, because any identity, like first you write down on the comparison and then replace the value, first value is equal to this much, second value equal to this much, you replace the value in the given identity and then solve the given questions. Now second part we have again the same, like but your first term and second term they are given in form of the fraction. Okay, so x by 2 plus y by 7 of whole square. So first again we know the identity here a plus b whole cube square, because plus identity in the given format. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, again we add on here same. On comparison we find out the x equal a equal to x by 2 and b equal to y by 7. Okay, so replace this identity in place of a and b. So you have x by 2 whole square, 2 into x by 2 plus y by 7 plus y by 7 of whole square. Okay, so 2 to cancel out, x square by 4 plus xy by 7 and here y square by 49. Okay, so this is the another expansion because we have 5 questions. So in these 2 questions they are written with the plus identity, and now third part we have here like they are related with the minus sign, a 3 minus 5a of whole square. Okay, so you use the identity of, first you add down identity which is like a minus b whole square, so a square minus 2ab plus b square write down. Compare the value, like a is 3 and b is 5a. Okay, so you use the identity like minus sign here and minus sign here. So you don't put the minus sign with the b term. Okay, now but you can write here like a plus b whole square and then using the plus identity and then expand with the minus term here. So write down the value of b in form of the minus sign, with the sign you write down. Okay, so now you replace the value, 3 square, 2 into a is 3, b is 5a, similarly 5a of whole square, and then 3 square is 9, 2 3 are 6, 6 5 are 30, and now 5a is 5a, that is 25a square. So fourth question, which is related again with the fraction sign, 2a by 3 and minus 5b by 2 of whole square. So again use the concept of a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so again you compare and find out the value of a, that is 2a by 3, and value of b which is 5b by 2. Okay, so you place the value in place of a, you put 2a by 3 of whole square, and then minus 2 into a is 2a by 3 and b is 5b by 2, and then plus 5b by 2 of whole square. So 2 is cancel out, and then 2a square is 4a square and 3 square is 9, minus 2 5s are 10, a into b is ab, and then upon 3 Similarly, find b, that is 25b square, and 2 square is 4. Okay, so this is the expansion of a minus b whole square. Similarly, fourth identity, that is related with the minus sign and plus sign. So x by 2 plus y by 3, and similarly x by 2 minus y by 3. Okay, so this identity you can write in form of like a plus b, a minus b. We know that this identity a square minus b square. So again we compare the value, a equal to x by 2 and b equal to y by 3, because both terms are same here and brackets are same, but sign are only first bracket positive and second bracket is negative. Using the implement here, so concept is x by 2 of whole square and y by 3 of whole square. So after expansion it is x square by 4 and minus y square by 9. Okay, but one more question now here we include this identity, like this fifth question. Suppose, okay, so we have a minus b, a plus b, and then a square plus b square. So what is the simplify of this three brackets? Okay, so basically if we simplify this bracket, so we know that this identity again, because previously we used the identity of like a plus b minus b whole square. We know that is a square minus b square. So you use the concept like a minus b plus b, then you have a square minus b square, and then third bracket you can put as it is. Okay, so now again this two brackets. So these two brackets again you use the concept of like a plus b, a minus b. So we have a square minus b square again. Okay, so since now our identity converted to the capital letters, and we know the value of a, capital A is a square and capital B is b square, and then you can convert a square of a square and then b square of a square. So your simplified form is a to the power 4 and minus b to the power 4. So also you can write the like three brackets are given, but they are consecutively given, and then two brackets form the another identity, but another identity they are read with the third bracket and then again form the identity, and then again you simplify it. So only few concepts you use and then three brackets you simplify in very easy way and you got the answer. Okay, so now maybe another identities here we use the concept. Okay, in this question we have the identity like all questions are related with the whole cube. So maybe some questions they are related with the plus, some questions they are related with the minus sign. Okay, using concept is same now. First question here we write down 2x plus 3y whole cube. Okay, whole cube is given and now plus sign is given. So first you use the identity like a plus b whole square, which is a cube and then b cube, 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so now first we bring down the value of a and then b. So value of a is 2x because this is first, and value of b is 3y. Only you substitute this value a and b in this identity, so you got the expansion of like this term. Okay, so you can write 2x of whole cube, b is here, so 3y whole cube, and then 3 into 2x of whole square into 3y. Similarly 3 into 2x 3y of whole square. 2x cube, that is 8x cube. 3y cube, that is 27y cube. Similarly 3 into 4x square into 3y. 3 into 2x into 9y square. So 8x cube 27y cube plus 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, x square y. Similarly 3 2s are 6, 6 9s are 54, x y square. Okay, so this is the expansion of 2x plus 3y whole cube. Okay, so this is very easy expansion. Like any term you can convert, you write down only the formula, you put the value in given formula and then write the expansion. Similarly, now we will try the second question. Second question is x by 3 minus y by 2 of whole cube. Okay, both the terms they are given in form of the fraction. So first you write down the identity, but identity that is in form of negative. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so first you write down the value of a, that is x by 3. Value of b is y by 2. Okay, now substitute value in given identity. X by 3 of whole cube minus y by 2 whole cube minus 3 into x by 3 of whole square into y by 2. Okay, so plus 3 into x by 3 and then y by 2 of whole square. So x cube by 27, y cube by 8 minus 3 into x square by 9 into y by 2 plus 3 is cancelled out, x is remaining, and here y square by 4. Okay, so now here we simplify. X cube by 27 first term minus y cube by 8, you put as it is. 3 3s are 9, you simplify first and then write down. Numerator is x square y, denominator is 6 plus xy square by 4. Okay, so this is the expansion of like x by 3 minus y by 2 of whole cube. Similarly, now third question we have in the numeric form, like 103 of whole cube. Okay, so 103, first this is a single term is given but a whole cube is given. Okay, so you can multiply like 103, 103, 103 50 times, that is very lengthy going. So 103 we split into the two parts. So first you can add 100 plus 3 because you add on always round the figure in the first and then the second rest of the term, like 103, 3 is the extra. So 100 plus 3 of whole cube. Okay, so now again you use the identity a plus b whole cube. We know that a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so a is 100, b is 3. So identity, now you put given value in the identities. So 100 cube, 3 cube, 3 into 100 square into 3, 3 into 100 into 3 square. Okay, so 100 cube, it means you write down 100 with 6 zeros. Okay, 100 into 100 into 100. And then 3 cube is 27. 3 into 100 square means 10,000 into 3. So 300 into 9. Okay, so 6 zeros now you put here. 27 as it is. 3 3s are 9s. So 90,000 you write here. And then 9 3s are 2700. Okay, so now you add this all terms. So 27 here, 27, then 27. Okay, fifth place is 9, so you write 9 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 and then 1. Okay, so 1092727. Okay, so like maybe you write down here 90,000. So 90 like here in this way, 2700 in this way, and then 27. Okay, so you add in this way and then you write down the answer. Okay, so now the next question is 999 of whole cube. Okay, so again very easy, but this is not the round figure is not greater, like 1000 less than by 1 is 999. So you round the figure, first you write down basically 1000 and then next term is 1. So 1000 minus 1 is, now you can convert into the binomial form and now use the identity, that is a minus b of whole cube, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so value of a is 1000 value of b is 1, so 1000 of whole cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square into 1000, sorry 1000 of whole square into 1 plus 3 into 1000 into 1 square. Okay, so 1000 cube, it means you write down 3 3s are 9 zeros minus 1 minus 3 into you write down 6 zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 3000. Okay, so two terms negative and two terms are positive, but here you add like 3000 you added. Okay, this minus 1 tends to here, so this term you convert like how many zeros we have here? 5 0 you put as it is, and then 3 and then 1000, then minus 6 0 here, so 1 2 3 4 5 and then 1. Okay, so now we minus with this term and then minus here, so 1 you put as it is, 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 5 0. Okay, and then you can write 3. Okay, after minus answer you can write here like 9 and then 9 and then 9 then 2. Okay, so this 0 again 0, 10 minus 3 is 7 and then 9. Okay, so this is the expansion of 999 of whole cube in this way. Okay, so one more question that is related with the whole cube, but now we have in the half part is fraction, half part is not fraction. So now this simplifies again very easy. You have x plus 1 by x of whole cube. Okay, so use the concept of identity again. A plus b of whole cube, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so value of a, that is x, value of b is 1 by x, and then you can put in the given identities and then simplify the given identity in very easy form. Okay, so you can write very easy answer, x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3x square into 1 by x plus 3x into 1 by x square. So 1x here cancel out, here cancel out. So x cube plus 1 by x cube minus plus 3x and plus 3 by x. Okay, so this is the plus identity. And now sixth question, same question is given, but we have with the minus sign. Okay, so this is nothing. This is both the questions are same. So how you can simplify the given question? Your first part is as it is, second part is negative, third part is also negative, fourth part is positive, because identity is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b, but plus 3ab square. Okay, so this is the identity. So expansion of this you can write in this form. Okay, so these are all our expansions. They are given in form of like whole squares, whole cubes. Okay, so one expansion is remaining. I think 3 terms. Trinomial is given with the square. So this is the last form with the expansion. Okay, because all expansions are over here. Because we use the identity like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b, a minus b. All this identity we use here. Okay, so now in the like next factorize the sum part. So now first like one more identity here we expand, a plus b plus c of whole square. Okay, now we have the last expansion, like they are related with the trinomial given in form of the whole square. Okay, so now we use the identity like first question we have 2x plus 3y plus 3z of whole square. So using the identity a plus b plus c of whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ca. Okay, so first we find out the value of a. First place is 2x, value of b 3y, and value of c is 3z. Okay, so these all values here we put in the given identities, and then we have the expansion of wholes like trinomial whole square. 3y whole square, 3z of whole square, 2 into 2x into 3y, 2 into 3y into 3z plus 2 into 3z into 2x. Okay, so expand this like 2x of whole square is 4x square, 9y square, 9z square, 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, xy, 2 3 the 6, 6 3 the 18, yz, 2 3 the 6, 6 to the 12, zx. Okay, so this is the expansion of like you have 2x plus 3y and 3z of whole square. Okay, so all expansions are very easy, only you know the formula and then all given values you put in the given identity and then you got the expansion of the given part, given questions. Okay, so now we have the another form like second part, a minus 2 plus 2a. So here b is given. So a plus 2b minus 3c of whole square. Okay, so use the identity again same, a plus b plus c of whole square, which is a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Okay, so how many questions you repeated? You can write each and every time you write the formula, you write the identity for the learning, because you write down every time, and for memory, for remembering is very easy. Okay, so now you write down the value of a, that is a same, value of b is 2b and value of c is minus 3c, because now here we use the identity law of plus sign here, but last time having the minus sign, so here you can use with the sign number. Okay, so now we put the value a square as it is, 2b whole square, but here minus sign is given, so minus 3 whole square, and then 2 into a as it is, 2b, 2 into b, b means 2b and c means minus 3c, plus 2 into minus 3c and a as it is. Okay, so a square is a square, 2b whole square is 4b square, and now minus of whole square, it is plus, so 9c square, and now 2 2s are 4ab. Okay, so but here minus sign is given, so minus sign, 2 to the 4, 4 3 to the 12, so 12bc. Okay, now again here minus sign, so you put minus sign, 2 3 to the 6, 6ca. Okay, so this is the expansion of a plus 2b minus 3c of whole square. Okay, so one again I think you revise the concept. If last term is negative, it means c is negative. So like c having two terms, second last and last. So these two terms are negative, other than all are positive. So here b is negative. So b like having this place and this place having the b. So these two terms are negative. Suppose a is negative, so only a place having like first and the last. So first and last terms are negative, but rest of all the terms are positive. So these are some very few points you remember, and then you expand the given formula, and then all conditions, all expansions are very easy, because all questions, like more questions you write down, you can more for more practice you can form I think self, and then three terms write down trinomially. First you can write down like first term is negative, last two is positive, and then expand it. If middle term is negative and then you expand, if last term is negative, like the same, and then expand it, and then find the relation between the identities, how many terms they are negative, how many terms are positive. if two terms are negative in the expansion, then how many terms they are positive or negative in the after expansions. So you can also find out the relation between the sign. Okay, so now I think all expansions now we have over, because whole square, whole cube, whole square with the trinomial also here we expand it. So now I think you can simplify or you can evaluate the any expansion with the given identities, with the suitable identities. You can use and expand the given form, given questions. Okay, so I think thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, so please like, subscribe and subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjay Dichod.